Good morning, student. Today will be start shorting. Tomorrow will be bubble sort discussing, and today will be start selection sort. Here, bubble sort. Bubble sort. First of all, comments line. Program for bubble sort in C language. Here. Starting first preprocessor and header file hash include less than stdio.h hash include less than conio.h int main function curly bracket open int array a subscript 30 total number of element predefined I comma j comma temp comma count predefined variable printf as a output function in C. Printf bracket start double quote how many elements are there in the array double quote close new line double quote close back bracket band semicolon. Here scanf function percent d double quote close insertion m% count bracket band semicolon. Printf bracket start enter percent d elements colon double quote close comma count bracket band semicolon. Here for starting of loop for bracket start I equal to 0 semicolon I is less than count semicolon I plus plus bracket band count scanf function ये एज ए इनपुट फंक्शन scanf function bracket start double quote percent d double quote close comma m% a subscript I bracket band semicolon. Here next code will be start. This is the main logic of bubble sort. For bracket start I equal to count minus 2 semicolon I is greater than equal to 0 semicolon I minus minus bracket band curly bracket open. Next loop for bracket start j equal to 0 semicolon j is less than equal to I semicolon j plus plus bracket band curly bracket open. Here condition is follow if bracket start a subscript j subscript close is greater than a j plus 1 curly bracket open temp equal to a subscript j subscript close semicolon a j equal to a j plus 1 semicolon a j plus 1 equal to temp. That is bubble sorting. curly bracket close करिए 3 स्टेप curly bracket close क्यों. Here printf bracket start double quote sorted elements colon double quote close bracket band semicolon. For bracket start I equal to 0 semicolon I is less than count semicolon I plus plus bracket band printf bracket start double quote percent d double quote close comma a subscript I subscript close bracket close semicolon return 0 semicolon curly bracket close. Here we will calculate then that is the output. We calculate error is then this program. Here compilation option will be or control F9 then error will be 0 and next run option will be output would be output that is follow how many elements are there in the array. For example 4 enter 4 elements 6 7 5 2 that is sorted elements 2 5 6 7. It is final bubble sort. Next topic, selection sort. Selection sort. Selection sort is another algorithm that is used for sorting. This is sorting algorithm is iterate through the array and find the smallest number in the array. Here and swap it with the first element. If it is smallest than the first element next it goes on to the second sorted second elements and so on until all elements are sorted. Here we can say that selection sorting में first of all minimum value search in total number of element. For example, consider the array 10, 5, 2, 1. Here the first element is 10. The next pass must find the smallest number from the remaining array. The smallest number from the remaining. The smallest number from 5, 2 and 1. So we replace 10 by 1. Starting 10 को हम 1 से replace कर देते हैं. Then the new array is 1, 5, 2, 10. Next again their process is repeated. Finally we get the sorted array as 1, 2, 5, 10. Let us continue with this article on selection sort in C and see how the algorithm work. First of all, algorithm for selection sort. Next topic. Step 1. Step 2. Set min to the first element location. Step 3. Search the minimum elements into the array. 4th. Swap the first location with the minimum value in the array. Next, repeat it. Next, step 5. Assign the value. Assign the smallest value until remaining in the list. Last and then we can say that selection sort we can find out the sorting algorithm is iterate through the array with find the smallest value in the array. Thank you.